Hello guys, review smartphone Poco X4 Pro. This version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory, yellow color, look completion. In the box we have protected back cover, documentary on this. In completion, quick charge adapter and Type-C cable. Okay, device made of plastic, on the back side triple camera, on the front side 6.7-inch display, on this side power key and volume keys, downside Type-C port, speaker and slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory combinated slot, upside headphones jack, second speaker and others. Okay, turn on device, we have display AMOLED, Full HD Plus resolution 120 Hz, Android 12 and MIUI Global 13.0.5. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have CPU Snapdragon 695, octa-core processor 6 plus 2 cores, and GPU we have Adreno 619. Close this. Look onto the benchmark results. Okay, onto the benchmark results and run the money game Guitar Sunrise on the max graphic level. Game works very good on the max graphic level. Okay, close this and now show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. It's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.